What's going on, everyone? This is BlueVein with Profiteer Trading, um, and today we're just going to be going over the ES analysis. So let's just take a minute to look at our prep sheet. We have got. Oh, I didn't actually copy this in. Give me a second. Like, there we go. So, got my hypos. We got a few high risk events to pay attention to today. Looking at the overnight session, we had kind of Chop City and then went imbalanced up here, broke these highs, had a little bit of a pullback test, and then just rocketed up straight into this composite value area from 924. And now we're just holding kind of right at that composite value area low. So what are the primary situations I'm interested in today? Obviously, a break above, an acceptance above this composite value area low would be very bullish. We'd be looking to get long. This is the CVA POC, so you'd have to watch out, make sure we can actually clear that, and then traverse up. This is also, if we can't hold these levels and we start to get rejection with the, look, pay attention to the gold pit open, look at obviously the U.S. equities and the pre-market, all of that good stuff to try and get a risk on or off sentiment as we approach the U.S. cash open. Obviously, it's only 7:20 right now. I have to leave from 8 to 9 today, so I just wanted to get this out early for you guys so you can see what I'm seeing. Now, if we do get this opportunity to refail off of this high, it might even push into here, which is why I'm kind of treating this as a zone, not a finite level. Then we're going to kind of traverse down. Now we've had a lot of trending going on, and that's why I'm cautiously bullish above here, because if anything, knowing SPOOs, we're going to be choppy and rotational, if not corrective today. You don't see it do a lot of trending like it has been doing. Granted, fundamentals can throw all of that out the window as the high time frames step in to load in and out of their positions. So, with that being said, we got our 3 hypos for the day. Breakout pullback, return pullback, and return pullback of 2060 that got adjusted. So breakout pullback, obviously if the bulls continue this fight, we get good news. Treating this as a zone, kind of these two, this block right here, I really want to kind of see us even hold above the POC if I'm going to get bullish just because we're so overextended. And then your targets would be the 94s, 2990s. And when we have this pullback, if we can't hold up here and we're going to have a choppy corrective day, you'd have an opportunity for to fade this. And then if we are breaking below, this is not just an arbitrary line, this is actually the yearly VWAP. So if we break below the yearly VWAP again, which had been acting as a pretty heavy resistance line, then I would be looking for shorts. Now, just to give you this representation on the TPO charts, so here we are. This was the balance from yesterday we just broke out of. So you can see, we tested low, nope, tested high, came all the way straight up into this value area high of here, came down, and now we're imbalanced up. So we had that return, broke out of that composite value area, kind of tested in the waters, and now we're at the top of this one. So again, we're looking for this to shoot in, accept, and then traverse to the top, or we're looking for it to reject and come down, either accept into the 10.6 value area, in which case you'd be targeting the value area low, or it might just continue to rip as investors freak out. Looking at your long-term VWAPs, let's grab that chart quickly. All right, so here we are right now, these 2970s. So we are holding above the quarterly developing value area high, the weekly developing value area high, and the yearly VWAP. What does that mean? Is that you have just gassed out the quarter and the week, which are actually Well, the quarterly and the monthly are the same, but that's why you don't see the monthly. It's right behind the quarterly. Uh, Essentially, what that means is that it's like when you have your any other daily VWAP and price pushes into the +2 standard deviations of it, you're running out of gas. It's giving you that indication that you're pretty overextended and you're due for pullback. So could we see a pullback to the yearly VWAP and then have it kick back off? Absolutely. Do I think without any massive fundamental catalyst, we're just going to keep rocketing and rocketing to the top of the yearly VWAP? It's unlikely. And then obviously this is a new tool I've been playing with. I don't know as much about it, so I don't want to make any trading decisions off of it. But if I'm reading it correctly, the squeeze is showing that we are kind of starting to tilt back down. But it's kind of indecisive at this point. So those are the main situations, and I will be updating the Twitter as I see any updates happen here. Obviously, these hypos are subject to change as we approach the pit session open. I'm looking forward to seeing that gold pit open, as well as just trying to get a risk off, risk on sentiment before the actual U.S. cash equity open. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you.